Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a keto chicken cordon bleu meatball. Let me show you how. First things first, I'm going to take some pork rinds and I'm going to add them to our blender and just blend them right on up. Probably about half a bag. I'm going to take my pork rinds, add them to my bowl. And then I have 1 pound of ground chicken. Add that right in. Give it a mix. I went to Pepper Palace and I picked up this wine seasoning. So I'm going to add this into my mixture here. Okay, so I took my Swiss cheese and I cut them in half, but I'm going to take a large hefty scoop of the chicken, and I'm going to kind of form it in a round, flat patty, let's call it. So I'm going to take a piece of the Swiss and I'm going to add some ham chunks just like so. Fold my chicken over, or fold my cheese over my ham chunks, place it in, and then form my chicken around to create a meatball. Like so. So we're going to repeat this until we are out of our ground chicken. All right, so I'm going to take some Kerrygold butter. I'm going to throw it down, get everything nice and buttered it up. And then we are going to start grilling up our meatballs here. So we're just going to set them on. So for dipping sauce, what I'm going to do for these, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic paste in, and then I have some True Made Food mustard, so I'm going to add that in also. More mustard than garlic, and then just give it a good mix. All right, now that our meatballs are golden brown, let's pull them off and plate them up. All right, let's give this a try, and let's remember, this is too good to be keto.